because it is a vulnerable track. It's not, like you said, it's not super lovey-dovey, but it's a tender moment of sharing, like, relationship woes. But I think also my favorite, one of my favorite parts of that particular song is, I think it's right after the bridge where the sound goes from one speaker to the other. And it kind of like transitions, and I was just like, I've never heard this done before, like ever. And it was such a nice tender moment to end the song. And I think as Jamaican artists, we like me artists.
You know, just about to say one
We
honest,
no
is the
no
artist.
no me is not the artist, but our artists tend
Yeah,
to not go past the second verse, right?
yes,
This was one of those songs where you have to finish because it just continues to build right up until the end. So I think the production of it, that's a song in my mind you cannot not play the whole thing and you perform it. And
right.
the production of it, you have to play it right through from beginning to end, because there are moments in between the song that you can't just like mix it